Good evening, students, and welcome to your weekly walkthrough. It seems like folks have been able to find the links okay, but I want to review it super quickly. There are four ways of finding our link to class. One is on Schoology. If you click right here, the Schoology calendar, if you select it, then you can find the class here, and if you select the class, it'll have the link there. That's one way of finding the class meeting. Another way is in the right-hand side of your Schoology section, you'll see upcoming events, and it will also have the items there, class there. And you can select it, and it will have the link to the meeting there as well. The third place you can go to is finding it in the class meeting links on your Schoology Language Arts page. And you can select the link right there. And of course, the fourth place is on Outlook itself, where you can just right-click on the meeting and select Join Meeting. This week, we're going to be continuing with our social change project. When you open up the work for this week, be sure to read this week's work first, and that will let you know what you need to have before class. So for example, before class on whether it's Monday or Tuesday that I have you, depending on the period, you'll want to make sure that you bring your mission statement that you wrote for your social change project. And then during class, we're going to be working on compelling writing. And then in the afternoon, you'll begin working on your first item. Wednesdays, as always, is optional. And then for the second class of the week, either that Thursday or Friday class, you're going to complete your first item of your social change project. And then you're invited to share those items in class. Always, we are a share by choice learning community, so you do not need to share. But I encourage you to think about sharing. It's a way of promoting your the issue about which you feel passionate, and also a way to model for others what it means to be vulnerable and to share one's work, and how we can all grow from that. The second item and the third item will be due the following week. If you head to OneNote, where we're going to be doing some work this week in the collaboration space, I want to review a couple of items. One is that for the first class of the week, when you go into the collaboration space, we'll be in the collaboration space in the classwork section, and we'll be looking at the tab over here, compelling writing, and then I'll ask you to write items in the sample opening lines. If you are not seeing this, or if you are not seeing the agenda in the agenda section of the content library, the morning attendance form, then it means that you are not synced with me, and you want to make sure that you're synced with me. The way to do that, in the content library under resources, in OneNote troubleshooting, you'll see there's a growing list of techniques that you can try, strategies you can try to make sure that you are syncing. So if you're not seeing what I'm projecting or what I'm saying is there, please go to resources, to OneNote troubleshooting, and try that, and try each of these. I'm looking forward to a wonderful week with you, and that's it. Have a wonderful day.